Well, this is what came home today. Been looking for a tractor for about a year and a half, and I finally decided to get an LS. .40 horsepower. Cab. Man, we're gonna have more videos to come on this one. Yeah, I just got it a few hours ago, and I'm just headed out in the dirt, doing some dirt work in the back. But yeah, we're gonna have quite a few more videos on this one, because LS it's a great tractor. It's just way underrated. It's basically a New Holland. Actually, LS makes New Holland. It's just a different color, different hood, same engine, same everything. So we're gonna have some videos on this to come.